Hi, to make it easy to understand, so I make this simple video for you to understand, easier to understand. Lah. So for this example is age next birthday 38 years old, cover sum assured life lah, 300k, cover until age 100. Age next birthday 101 lah, is age 100 lah. So the premium terms for this policy is pay 20 years, 385 monthly is roughly 385 monthly. This policy will cover until age 100. Okay, so this policy there is only two outcome. One is uh, death. If halfway before age 100 death happens, then for the normal life insurance is only cover one times only, which means if you buy 300,000 death, then company will pay 300,000. Okay, the special for this policy is consider how is the life assured die. So will determine how much the company will pay. Okay, for number five, you can see. Okay, this is number five is natural death, which means if sleep forget to wake up, then company will pay one times. Is how much sum assured you buy plus the policy value at the time of the death happen. Then if the life assured dies because of accident, then it will become double. Sum assured plus 100% plus another 100%, which means it's double if accidents death. And then if accident death due to in public conveyance, and then the company will pay three times, which means sum assured plus another 200% plus how much policy value in the policy at that time. Then another one is if accident death outside of Malaysia, let's say they go to travel, go to holidays on others country, accident death happen, then the company will pay four times. Then another one, the number one, this one is death due to natural disaster, then the company will pay six times from the sum assured, which means it's six times sum assured plus 500% and plus whatever policy value in the policy. So this is the first outcome is customer buy and then death happens. Or the other outcome is let's say the customer until halfway he don't want to continue. So okay, let's say for this policy, is what estimated here is this X is low return and Y is high return. So I don't want I don't want to stick on the high return only. So from here I see on the quotation low and the high. From here what we can summarize is for these 20 years terms, the total premium paid by customer is 92,000. So for 10 years, total premium paid by customer is 46,000. So if let's say 10 years, this customer want to surrender, want to continue for this policy, he will get back at least 50% or more from whatever he have paid. For 15 years, total payment is 69,000. And let's say he surrender the one. Let's say you see from here, for the low return, at least is 50,000 you can get back. But I don't want to, because this is only the estimation based on the company performance. So what I can say is at least 50% from what the customer pay, he will get back. So for 20 years, as you can see, total premium is 92,000. This is low and this is high. If let's say the customer don't want to continue and want to surrender, and 30 years, as you can see, for 30 years, total premium also 92,000. Why? Because the premium term for this policy is 20 years, which means pay until 20 years, then don't have to pay already. And then this policy can continue until, will cover until the customer age 100. So what's so special for this policy? As you can see, if let's say this customer buy this policy, premium term pay for 20 years, this amount, total premium paid. And you see, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 not happen, but the number 5 one sure will happen. If this thing not don't happen before age 100, at the maturity age 100, the company will still pay the sum assured to the customer plus any policy value inside this policy. So which means for this policy, you already know the total premium you will pay, and this is guarantee what you will get. One is either the customer death happen before age 100 or death not happen policy maturity age 100. The company also will pay this amount. So which means it's sure positive value one for this situation. Another thing is I recommend for the first policy for this coverage, you buy for sum assured 300K first, because 300K is the minimum for this policy to go lah. So because at any time later on, maybe if let's say you want to increase, you can get another one 300K, because from here you can see, although you buy 300K, but if accident happens for this policy, it will become 200%, 300%, 400%, and up to 600%. So, but this is up to customer. If let's say you want to buy for the first policy 500K also can, the ratio is also quite the same. This is only the concept behind this policy lah. But the ratio is around that lah, 100 something for each 100K coverage.